This is where they make gondolas, the gondola boats. Ciao da Firenze. Ciao. Ciao ciao da Venezia. Of course, with our luck. Well, I don't want to say with our luck because we've actually had really good luck lately with weather. But with our luck, it's raining in Venice this weekend. We are taking a little weekend away because one of Emilio's friends from university is turning 40 and celebrating her 40th birthday. So we decided to take advantage and make a weekend out of it. But it's raining and freezing. But that's like the real Venice, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's the reality. And it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it's already getting dark, which is a bit depressing, but it gives you like the Venice energy, I think. The winter Venice energy. We spent the afternoon at a, what would you say? Baccaro. And had cicchetti, prosecco, spritz, and it's already dark and raining. But anyways, we're now headed back to the hotel to rest for a little bit before we have
a piano concert.
We have a piano concert we're going to, and then we're gonna have dinner and just try to make the best out of this rainy situation because
who cares about the rain?
Who cares about the rain? We have each other and it's beautiful. It's like an eerie feel. But Venice gives me this eerie feel. And there's not many people. It's not high season with tourists, so.
But also we are in a area, it's not touristy at all.
What do you know what it's called?
Dorso Duro.
Dorso Duro. So yeah. Check in with you all a little later.
I love it.
Emilio would move to Venice if he could.
I would. Tomorrow.
He loves Venice. Alright, this is the view from our hotel room. It's very dark out, so you can't really tell, but there is a canal. Okay, we are off to our piano concert at La Fenice. And then we have dinner reservations after. And it stopped raining for the moment, but the floor is super wet. And so far, there's no one around. Like, absolutely no one. Wow. piano concert. Emilio fell asleep. You did fall asleep. I have proof. Listen, it was really nice and very well intentioned, but we didn't know it was like a skit in between each song. But it wasn't even a skit, it was like an interview. So after every song, the pianist came and sat and like did a pretend interview with a pretend Hitchcock. It was nice, it was nice. It was something cultural, but Emilio was falling asleep. And the rain has picked up. And we are on our way to Harry's bar, to have a famous Bellini and dinner. And to warm up because it is freezing. Looks like they're getting ready for Acqua Alta, which is high water, which is very common in Venice when it floods. So the city floods pretty easily since we are on a lagoon. And I'm really hoping that it doesn't reach to that point tomorrow. What do you think? Good morning, buongiorno. It is now Saturday. It's the next day. It's cold and rainy out still, so I wanted to show you all my outfit of the day for conquering Venice. These are the Cost boots that I did in my haul a while back. So I'm wearing those with a skirt, cashmere sweater, and a big puffer. The puffer jacket that I got at Cost as well. Ready to venture out in the cold, humid Venice. Even in December, y'all, the Rialto Bridge is bumping. We had lunch and a few of Emilio's friends have arrived, and now we're going to do something super touristy, but it's really fun. Once in Venice, you kind of always have to do it.
A destra avete la casa dove ha abitato Mozart. È stato ospite a Venezia nel 1770.
Buongiorno. Good morning from our hotel room. We didn't order room service. Emilio went to the breakfast room and asked if he could bring these things back to the room, and they gave him a tray. Super nice. I didn't film anything last night because it was so much fun. I wanted to film an outfit of the night video for you all. Didn't get around to that because we were rushing back, but last night was super fun. It was raining, it was cold, but we all made a really good time out of it, and we didn't get home until like 1:30. And then we have to head over to the train station and go back home. We were going to stay until later this afternoon, but it's supposed to rain all day, and we were here all day Friday, we were here all day yesterday. With the rain, the not so ideal weather, we ended up pushing our train home back. Not pushing it back, moving it forward. That way we can spend Sunday afternoon at home.